welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 4.3.1. In the diagram, the circle centered at N passes through A and C. B, C, D, and E are joined to form a parallelogram such that BE is parallel to the x-axis. CD is a tangent to the circle at C. CD is the tangent to the circle at C, and CD is equal to 6 units. The circle centered at N is reflected about the line y is equal to x. M is the center of the new circle which is formed. The two circles intersect at A and F. Calculate the length of MN. Right, what happens if a point is reflected about the line y is equal to x? What happens is the x coordinate becomes the y coordinate and the y coordinate becomes the x coordinate. We have the line y is equal to x, and then the reflection about this line, if this point is reflected about this line, we're going to have the center here, which is M, and then the y becomes x, x becomes y, so it becomes 3, -1. You see that? So you just swap the x and y coordinates around, okay? Right. So now we'll have what? A new circle there with center M. So we're asked to find the distance MN. Right, let's use the distance formula. So we're going to use the distance formula MN. MN is equal to the square root of xm minus xn squared plus ym minus yn squared. Okay, so mn is equal to then 3 minus -1. So it's going to be 3 minus -1 squared plus -1 minus 3, -1 minus 3 squared, like that. Okay. And then we can put this in the calculator. What do we get? M n is equal to the square root of 32, because this is 4, which is 4 squared 16, plus -4 squared 16. So it's 16 plus 16, which is 32. So it is square root of 32. That is enough. Or you can say this is 4 root 2. Okay. Right, 16 times 2, and then square root of 16 is 4. Or you can even say 5,66 units. Okay, that's your answer there. So we're going to meet when we do question 432.